In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam email address without old email. If you've lost access to your old email but still need to secure your Steam account, don't worry, there are two reliable ways to get it done. I'll walk you through both the quick method inside the Steam client and the alternative route through Steam support, so you can pick whichever fits your situation. Start by opening the Steam desktop client and signing in. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. If you're on a Mac, this might be labeled Preferences. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Look for the option that says Change Contact Email and select it. If Steam asks whether you can access your old email, choose the option that says something like I don't have access to this email. At this point, Steam may prompt you to verify the account another way, such as confirming a phone number you've previously added, or it may move straight to the new email setup. Next, enter the new email address you want to use. Then, open that inbox and look for a verification message from Steam support. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. When the email arrives, click the verification link. Return to the Steam client to complete the process in the on-screen dialog. Make sure the email is genuinely from Steam before you click Official messages come from Steam or Steam-powered domains. If you can't complete it inside the client or you don't have those recovery options, use the Steam support path. Go to Steam support and select Change my email address, then choose I no longer have access to this email. You'll be asked for a new email and details that prove ownership of the account. Provide as much accurate information as you can, such as parts of your purchase history, screenshots of receipts, or proof of your game library. Clear, verifiable details help support confirm the account more quickly. Submit the request and keep an eye on your new email for the reply. Response times can vary, sometimes taking a few days. When support gets back to you, follow their instructions carefully to verify ownership and finalize the email change. Stay patient, keep your answers consistent, and only respond through official Steam support channels. Thanks for watching.